All right, hey everybody, this is Dr. Greg Barnes, and I am here with, I'll say my favorite patient, if not your top
Okay.
five
All right.
of
Okay.
my family,
All
just kidding.
right.
With Miss Dawson, and this has been kind of a long time coming, but we wanted to, or well, she wanted to share some thoughts about her experience being under care here, and we wanted to capture that. So I'll give you the floor, but why don't you just kind of share what you love about coming to our office here and some of the things you've learned.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. I'm just grateful to God to have the opportunity to come here, to be with you, to be at this location. I've learned so much since I've been here. When I came here, it would take me about 20 minutes to get from the car in here.
Mm.
And my first encounter was taking the x-rays, and Keisha asked me, could I stand on one foot? And I said, girl, are you kidding? Is that a trick question? And when I look at coming here and how long I've been here and how I've
Yeah,
improved, I'm swinging on 85 years of age right now,
85.
and I feel great. I feel fantastic.
Yeah.
I have a little problem with my knees, but I always tell the knees, okay, we're going to go see Dr. B, and when we leave, we can walk a little
And
bit
they get in
better.
better shape,
Yes,
exactly. Yeah.
yes, yes. I, for me, the main thing is um, your title is doctor, but it goes deeper than that with me because I'm able to talk as a person and
Hmm.
ask questions and not feel like I'm getting a flaky answer.
Right.
Um, I've improved in my weight. Up to date, I'm like about 20 pounds lighter
Yeah.
without the strain of dieting and,
Right, right, right,
all
right.
that other stuff. But just learning naturally how to treat my natural body. And, like I said, the first time I met, when I took 20 minutes to just go the length of a room.
Yeah.
And now I feel so much better, and I'm able to do things. I'm involved in things
Yeah.
at my
How
church.
many different ministries do you
Uh,
help with?
it's about four,
Four ministries.
about
Yeah.
four different ministries, and the last one, apprentice prison ministry. You can't just open the door and you're in there.
There,
You
you're
have
right. A lot of
quite a
walking.
distance to walk,
Yeah.
and I'm still hanging in there.
Well, and what I love is that every time that you come in and I get to give you an adjustment and have our conversation is that I get my healing for the week too when I get my hug, and I know you dish it out too. So anybody that's watching this that's been in a Wednesday morning, right? They
Yes,
know who
yes,
you are by face, by name, and if they don't, they'll know you by hug, right?
yes.
Too. So if you're ever in need of a great hug in our office, just come every other Wednesday at 10 o'clock in the morning, and you'll get the best hug of your life too. So. Well, thank you for sharing that, and it's a
Yes.
privilege to take care of you. And here's to many, many more years, right?
Yes,
And
absolutely.
so that's what
Absolutely.
it's all about.
I want to live. That was the question. I want to live.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Yes.
All right. Have a great day, everybody.